Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Bobby and welcome to another, I almost said food challenge. I guess this might as well be a food challenge, but I'm gonna call it an unboxing video. So, I got some weird stuff here. I got, this is gonna be bad, seaweed chips, seaweed snacks, roasted and sea salted. So, a crunchy savory snack, roasted and sea salted, okay. Enjoy as a topping on soups, salads, pizza, or great as a crunchy snack. I got this stuff from Wegmans. Oh yeah, I didn't even show you the other one. This is the one I'm scared of. Roasted eel. I don't know if I can eat this raw. I'm assuming I can. Everything's in Japanese, or yeah, everything's in Japanese on the whole thing, except for the roasted eel. So I don't know how this is gonna go. This could be bad. This is gonna be pretty bad. Puke buckets over here. Okay, I don't know. I wasn't scared at first, but now it's kicking in. We'll start with the seaweed snacks here. Got my puke bucket right there. Yeah, okay, it's close. Let's start with these seaweed snacks. See what they look like. Alright, smell test, ready? Oh god. Ugh. Smells like seaweed. What the fuck? What is this? It's paper. I thought they were gonna be like legit chips. They look like sun chips on the front of the package. That's Ugh. Okay. I'm whining. Alright. Water's close. God, it feels weird. I haven't been nervous to eat something in a while. The past couple things I've tried to eat did not make me that nervous. This is making me really nervous. Okay, how do I... It says you can eat them like this, apparently. My name is Bobby, and this is not a food challenge, but I'm saying it anyways like it's a food challenge because this might as well be one. My name is Bobby, and this is the seaweed snacks. The seaweed snacks and roasted eel unboxing and eating and crying. Let's go. Oh. 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 Okay. 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 Oh, it was so bad. I can't describe that taste. It tasted like seaweed. It's like eating a fucking, not even like a piece of paper, like fucking, like, some kind of like, wrapping paper. I don't know. What? That was so gross. I can't believe I got it down. I was about to puke and then I just had to drink it down. Oh great, there's pieces of seaweed floating in my water. Wonderful. Roasted eel, my friends. Roasted eels. Eel. Not plural. This could go either bad or really bad. Well, oh god. I'm hoping it looks like it does on the front of the can. It looks pretty good. It's It's probably gonna look like the freaking sardine and herring fillets and fucking squid. Let's invest. Oh, there we go. I'm scared. Let's investigate. Seaweed taste. Okay, are we in? Yes, we are. Okay, we're opening it. Oh no, please be okay looking. Please be good. I've never eaten eel. I didn't even know you could eat eel. And we are done. I don't want to look at it yet. I don't want to smell it. I'm terrified right now. This is terrifying. I wasn't scared until this moment. It looks really juicy on the sides. I'm just scared. Alright, let's see what this bad boy looks like. Ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3. There's bones. It's in that oil that the sardines were in. It's in the same oil. How does it feel? Hard as a fucking rock. Let's taste the juice. Yep. Kind of look like oh, it's black on the back. Those spots. That's an eel. That's an eel. That is an eel. Looks like a chicken wing. Like a chicken wing and a buffalo sauce or some shit, you know. Oh my god. Oh my god. Well, I don't know if I'm supposed to like gut the bones. I don't know. I'm freaking out right now. I'm like whispering because I'm so scared. Okay, my name is Bobby. Again, this is a fucking eel. He just ate some fucking seaweed. Roasted eels, my friends. Roasted eels, roasted eels. Come on, come on. Come on, Bobby. Come on, just, you know, just fucking eat it. Just take a big old fucking honk out of that shit. Come on. Come on. It's starting to break apart in my fingers. I hope I don't get bones or some shit. Oh, where's that puke bucket? In case I get a bone in my mouth. That one right there, look at that. That's a fucking bone right there. Well, here we go. I'm blowing on it because it's not hot, but I don't know why I'm blowing on it. Just a reaction to stall quicker. Alright, let's do it. Not horrible. Not great. Ugh, that juice is the worst part. I don't know what that juice is. I thought it was... I'm eating eel. Swallow it. Swallow it. Swallow it. Ugh. Oh, I hate it. I hate it. Oh, so it's bad. It is bad. But like, I was expecting weird texture, and it wasn't. The texture's not horrible. It's in my teeth though. The juice is horrible. Oh, I don't know what that juice. Oh, I don't know what that juice is. Oh, so bad. Oh. Oh. I'm crying, actually. Oh. Crying. Oh. Oh. Mm. Oh. I was doing so good. It's that juice. I can't see. Can't see because I puked so hard. I actually puked that time. I came up again. The water has chunks of eel in it. I'm done. Okay. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. I can't even drink the water now. It's fucking gross, man. They weren't horrible. Well, they were kind of bad. It was weird tasting. It had the texture of almost like a chicken wing. It had the texture of like a chicken wing. And it just, the juice was so gross. I thought it was not canola, was it canola oil? Or whatever. But some kind of vegetable, some kind of oil. I thought that's what it was. And it wasn't it. It tasted like it when I dipped my finger in it, so I was like, alright. It's not the kind of oil. I don't know what the fuck that was. It was bad. Real bad. Okay, well, I've eaten eel. I've eaten seaweed. That's different. I've never thought I'd do that. Alright, guys. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, comment, share, do what you want to do. Send me more requests. That wasn't a request, I just kind of found that. I thought, yeah, I'll try it. My teeth. Ugh. Yeah, send me requests for foods or bands and my band and artist reviews. Or anything like that. This was a fun unboxing. I enjoyed this a lot. Alright guys, but no. Not really though. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, comment, share, do what you want to do. God, I'm trying to like catch my breath and think here because I'm like... So yeah, thanks for watching.